The foolish farmer planted his seed on a stony ground and got nothing, but the wise farmer planted his seed on a fertile soil and reaped bountifully. So children,
yes, Grandpa.
money is like a seed. So when you grow up and make money, make sure you invest wisely.
PAC Asset Management Limited is a member of Pan-African Capital Holdings Group, licensed by Securities and Exchange Commission to offer funds and portfolio management services in Nigeria. We are committed to providing a safe and innovative investment portfolio to meet our clients' investment needs. Since 2012, we have created several investment portfolios and managed multi-billion naira worth of funds with enviable returns to our esteemed clients in Nigeria and around the world.
PAC Asset Management is here to serve everybody, whether the retailer in the market or whether the high net worth individual or institutional clients. We have products that serve everyone, and if we don't yet have the product that serves you, we will create one. So our first product that I'd like to speak on is the PAC Money Market Fund. This fund is a fund that invests in short-term instruments, fixed income money market instruments, those instruments that don't have maturities longer than 12 months. This fund is actually open to everybody to invest. Whether you're risk averse or risk tolerant, you can invest in this fund. And the fund pays dividend at the end of every quarter. Fixed income fund is a fund that invests in debt instruments. And when I mean debt instruments, I'm talking of instruments that have maturities of higher than 1 year. This fund is open to everybody, but of course the risk level here is moderate. If you're looking for some income, capital preservation, you can pursue and invest in the fixed income fund. The Eurobond fund is a type of fixed income fund, but the difference between this and the PAC fixed income fund is that this fund invests in USD. That means your investment is in USD and your cash flow from the fund is in USD. The Balance Fund is a fund that is invested in both the equities market and the fixed income market. So this kind of fund is a fund that has a sort of internal hedge, and it gives to the investor the best of both worlds, because while you get exposure to the fixed income market, you're also exposed to the equities market. Equities that are in the funds are equities that are listed on the Nigerian Stock Exchange. So this is a fund that has moderate to high risk. So if you're an investor that can tolerate some form of high risk, you can patronize this fund. Finally, our fifth fund is the PAC Equity Fund, which is a high risk fund because the larger part of that fund portfolio is invested in quoted equities on the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and the lesser part of it is invested in fixed income instruments in Nigeria. This fund is particularly targeted at young investors who have a lifetime ahead of them and who are able to take greater risks. And of course, the benefit to them is that there is the opportunity of greater capital appreciation and dividend payment over the life of their investment. So under the wealth management services, we provide bespoke services. And when I say bespoke, I mean that you come to us with your need and we create a solution that meets that need. This service is actually targeted at affluent clients, high net worth individuals, and institutional clients. What I would say to a first-time client of PAC Asset Management is that we will help you build your portfolio, we will help you grow your portfolio, and we will stay with you through the process.
With an immensely dedicated team led by an experienced management and board of directors, we work tirelessly to remain our client's asset manager of choice. Aside numerous testimonies from clients on its delivery of innovative products and competitive returns, PAC Asset Management Limited has received several local and global awards and recognition. So if you like to invest in any of the mutual funds, the Money Market Fund, fixed income fund, Eurobond fund, equity fund, or balanced fund. Just visit us to get started. PAC Asset Management, your asset manager of choice.